Xiaomi!
Rain, quack, quack, quack.
Boss, more fast! It is getting heavier! Already soaked, still running, so funny. Oh, little bird, you're all alone here. Oh no, your wing is injured. Poor little thing. Come home with me, I'll heal you.
The next day, Xiaolan.
My friend will surely like you. Hi, everyone. Look at my new friend, Xiaolan. Such a cute little bird. Really adorable. Muzi, Xiaolan is injured. Yes, I found him in the rain yesterday. His wing is injured. I'm taking care of him. Oh, Muzi, so kind. Muzi, you're so loving. Xiaolan's chirping sounds so beautiful. Wow, it really sounds amazing. He is such a lucky little bird.
A few more days passed.
Xiaolan, 知道吗? Today is a happy day. Because you've recovered. You can fly now. Come on out, Xiaolan. Hey, you really can fly. Go for it. How about it, Xiaolan? Wow, awesome! Xiaolan can fly. Fly back home. Do you want me to fly with you? Yay! Maybe I can. I want to fly. Muzi, I want to fly. Muzi, what are you doing? I want to soar in the sky like Xiaolan. 飞翔. Muzi, what you need isn't a pair of fans, but a pair of wings like my ears. Muzi, let me show you how to fly.
An ear can use an elephant. Ears can be used for flying, right?
Have you heard the story of Dumbo? Dumbo! Watch me! Looks like you're not Dumbo, Ali. I really want to fly in the sky with Xiaolan.
Maybe I have a way. You have a way.
What is that?
Friends, who should we call at this time?
Magic paintbrush!
Yes, magic paintbrush. Let's call for magic paintbrush together.
Magic paintbrush, come out! Magic paintbrush! Magic paintbrush, shut up!
Here I am, everyone. I'm magic paintbrush.
Let's draw together. Let's draw together. Let's draw together. You're the magical little artist. Let's draw together. 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 You're the magical little artist. Little artist. Little artist. Hey!
Hello! Magical paintbrush.
Hello, friends! Xiaomi, what are you going to draw today?
Magical paintbrush. It is like this. Muzi wants to fly in the sky like his friend Little Blue. Fly in the sky. I want to help him.
Help him! Then, what are you going to draw?
I want to draw an airplane.
Oh, an airplane! Xiaomi, that is really cool!
Magical paintbrush. Now, give me a paintbrush.
But now you have to say the magic words.
Abracadabra. I love drawing.
Abracadabra!
I love drawing. Hi, friends. Let's draw an airplane together. First, I'll draw a big fuselage for it. Then draw its tail. Now, let's draw the airplane's nose. Then draw its propeller, huh? Hold.
Oh, Xiaomi, this is a cute old-fashioned airplane.
Then, I'll draw its wing. Huh? Huh? This is its tail fin.
Hey.
Oh. The airplane is almost done. Next, I'll draw some wheels for it. These are the wheels at the back. The airplane is finished.
Xiaomi, it seems like something's missing.
Friends, I forgot to draw something. Yes, it is the cockpit. Ha! The airplane is done. Magic brush. Now I'm going to color this airplane.
No problem. Chirpy, chirpy. I love drawing.
First, I'll paint its body red. Then I'll paint the airplane's nose a beautiful blue. Next, I'll paint its wheels blue too. Xiaomi, I want to paint its propeller yellow. No problem.
It is best to paint its chicken yellow too.
It looks really nice.
Hey, I want to paint its tail pink.
Then I'll paint its cabin a deep purple. Paint the small circles inside the wheels, deep purple too. Done! The airplane is finished! Wow! You can fly with little blue now.
Oh, so cool. Wow.
Xiaomi, we're ready to go. We also want to fly with little blue. No problem.
Chirpy, chirpy.
We're flying with little blue now.
We're flying with little blue now.
Hi, Bus. That is all for today. Goodbye.